Hi, I'm friends. Let's see today how to set up the frames duration in Filmora. To know previously is that the images you're importing will have the durations that you want to. You don't have to change it. Just go before uploading, go to File, Preferences, and here in Editing you'll see that right now the photo duration is 5 seconds and we can change it. For example, let's do it by sliding left or right, or by typing 3 seconds. Okay, now let us see. Apply. I want to import some images and let's check what will be their duration on a timeline. 3 seconds. Okay, I think it works. Thank you. Bye.